Turn Away by William Wordsworth. This poem was written in July 13, 1798, and its full title is Lines Composed a Few Miles Above Tintern Away on Revisiting the Banks of the Wye during a tour, July 13, 1798. It is a philosophical and autobiographical poem, and it is written in blank verse, unrhymed iambic pentameter. This poem has 162 lines, and it is written in blank verse. Its setting is bank of River Wye near Tintern Abbey, Monmouthshire, Wales. And this poem was the Wordsworth revisited the River Wye Valley in 1798, 5 years after his first visit in 1793. This poem expresses how his relationship with nature had changed over time, from youthful excitement to mature spiritual reflection. It is both a personal meditation and a philosophical statement of Wordsworth's belief in nature's moral and spiritual power. When Wordsworth returns to the banks of the River Wye after 5 years, he vividly describes steeps, woods, green fields, hedgerows, cottages, and murmuring waters. He feels joy and calm in seeing this natural beauty again. The landscape is not just beautiful, it awakens his mind and spirit. During his absence, the memory of this scene has given him peace, comfort, and moral strength. Whenever he felt lonely, restless, or in pain, he recalled the beauty of the Wye Valley, which acted as a healing influence. Nature, even in memory, restored his inner harmony. Wordsworth reflects on how his perception of nature has changed since his youth. As a boy, he loved nature for its wild joy and physical excitement, coarser pleasures. Now, as an adult, he sees a deeper spiritual meaning in nature. He feels the presence of something far more deeply interfused, a spirit that dwells in all living things, giving moral and spiritual guidance. This marks his transition from sensuous enjoyment to spiritual insight. In the final section, Wordsworth turns to his sister Dorothy, who accompanies him. He blesses her and hopes that she will also find in nature the same peace, wisdom, and moral strength that he has found. He believes that when he is gone, Dorothy will remember this moment and find comfort in nature and in his memory. The poem ends with a calm tone of gratitude and harmony between human life, memory, and nature.